los dos cogieron el balón. Vea eso, como pelea por eso.
Ay, fue la bolsilla, no la dejes caer.
¡Mire!
Gordi, ponle muy abajo para que no lo tengamos que mover los niños. Bueno, yo necesito que me llegue la sombra. Tengo demasiado calor.
If you remember my one day in my life in Colombia video, then you also remember him. He's so freaking huge. I want to be as cute as him. Why is he so cute? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Jacqueline. You can call me Jackie, and yeah, I'm currently in Colombia and filming stuff. So yeah, this video is like a follow me around a week in my life thing. I have a week off, as well as my friend. So we will do a lot of hardcore sightseeing, and I'm really excited about that. And yeah, you already saw the clips from yesterday. We were at her country house. We just chilled there a little bit, and now it's Monday. And we go to El Hueco, which is basically like a market where you can find everything for a cheaper price than usual. I don't think that I will take you with me just because I don't really want to look after my things. I want to look after my things, but I don't want to look after my camera all the time. I hope you just enjoy it and stay with me all the time. And this puppy is so cute. But yeah, that's it. Okay, so let me just show you real quick what I got. So this is something for my sister. I don't want to show it because it's a present and she will watch this video. And I also got this thing. Focus. I also got those earrings. And just like fake diamonds in a triangle form. And I also got this necklace, which is just Fatima's hand, and yeah, a thin necklace, and it's all silver, and it literally cost me about 4 euros maybe. It's really pretty. And now we are matching with my friend because she also has one of these. She also bought the exactly same one. Okay, so following you will see a few clips of me dancing salsa. Please don't be too hard on me because this was basically, I think, my 3rd week of salsa lessons, and definitely a big shout out to my teacher. I will link her Instagram also down below. And yeah, just a huge gracias. And yeah, enjoy.
Hacerle agua fresca a esa gente.
Okay. Okay, so I think that this museum we entered needs kind of more of explanation. So I went with my friend to Casa de la Memoria, which is basically a house of memorial, as the name says, and it honors the victims and their families of just the whole conflict that arose over the last like century, let's just say, or even more centuries in Colombia. And I don't know why, but especially these kind of things, especially memorial stuff, always gets me, so like on an emotional level. For example, when I went to Israel, I visited Yad Vashem, which is basically a memorial for the victims of the Holocaust and their families, and it really hit me on a really emotional level. And this time it was not that bad because I've already been to Casa de la Memoria, but I wanted to go again because I've only seen one floor and there are actually two. I think it's such a good thing just to remind, like, you know, the inhabitants, but also tourists and visitors, that yeah, this thing happened and that we shouldn't repeat it. So yeah, it was really emotional for me. Victims speak, their families speak and tell their story. So we remember that this can always happen, and it is still happening here. Maybe not in Medellín, maybe not in, like, not so visible, but it's still happening, and that we should, yeah, just know it and have it in our heads. Also, if my friend sees this, I love you because literally my friend knows everything about this conflict, so it was really interesting just to listen to her and just to hear what she has to say. She just knows a lot of things because she's also really interested in politics. So yeah, thank you for this, you're the best. Thank you so much. It was really interesting, and yeah, I will definitely have this with me for the rest of my life. It's a reminder that I should choose another path. I know it sounds cheesy, but that's how it is. Lesson of the day. Remind the history and don't repeat it. At least, not everything. Okay, so the game was okay, so it was a tie. But the good news is that even with this game, Colombia qualified itself for the World Cup. So yeah, we will see Colombia in the World Cup. I'm really excited. I don't know why, but I'm really happy for them. Yay! No fucking words. That's insane. I want to go there. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's too cool to be true. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Colombian malls are the most insane thing in the world. Like I don't understand anything. I don't understand. I don't know where we are. I don't know where we're going. I don't know what is happening. But yeah, I know where we're going now. She's questioning her friendship choices. Oh no! Jackie can go out. Cute baby. It's como Takeshi's castle. She got it. Where?
Estás haciendo un close-up. I lost my sock.
I found it, and I will die here for now. Jackie, go. I don't have an idea what he's doing. Romeo. Little cutie, do you know this? Okay, not out of this angle, but you're a cutie. And I'm waiting for Jackie just like yay!
Clean up the rock.
Hey! My feet hurt. I'm weak. Everything hurts, so I just go with this.
She wants to cry. Ay, parce.
Ay. Mira, mira.
¿Qué? Es normal.
No, pero para mí es como... Ay.
Yo tengo los feet de mi indigenous people.
Es verdad. Yo tengo como... I have like German feet. I don't have the strength of the Russian people. Unfortunately.
Nice.
Apparently we did it all wrong because we have to sit here and not like go around because it's a place of relaxation. So yeah.
One eternity later.
Okay, I will actually be really surprised if this video will have some kind of good content because I am not really sure yet. It's about 2 weeks later, 1.5. And yeah, I rewatched my footage and realized I don't have an ending. I don't have an outro. I didn't film Friday or Saturday just because we didn't do anything. Elisa's sister was packing because she left for Germany. She is there like in Germany right now for 2 years, so yeah, that's why we didn't do anything. Sunday we went to Guatapé in El Peñol and I actually filmed it and it was so beautiful that I decided to do a travel diary, so stay tuned for next week because then I will upload this. On Monday was also a free day for us, but we only went to her country house and yeah, you have already seen it in the very first footage of this video. As you can also see, I have a new background. That's because I moved to Elisa's sister's room. Yeah, so here I am. And also the lighting is weird because I have like 3 lamps in this room, so you have light from this side and you have light from the front, and you have also another light from somewhere else. So yeah, sorry for the lightning situation, but you will get used to it. I think I should just wrap up the video, so thank you so much for watching. If this is actually good content, then I hope that you liked it. Give this video a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you want to see more of these kind of videos or other like better stuff. And yeah, you'll see me in the next video. Bye. And big shout out to Elisa. Thank you. I love you.
Keep it now.
Thank you for this week, and yeah, you will find her Instagram also linked down below, so you can see my beautiful taken pictures. What did I just said? I don't know, but yeah. Orlando Mail, do you want to say hello or bye to the video? Hey, come back. Okay, he doesn't really care. But anyways, bye.
And we totally forgot to share our social media sites like Instagram and Twitter. So yeah, you'll find them linked down below or here on the screen. But now, really, bye.